It takes a team to build a great product.
Hi, I'm Lippy.
I'm Lakshita.
I'm Mel.
I'm Erwin.
I'm Callum.
I'm Dulindra.
Peter.
Jim. Rizwan. Dave.
Sarah.
Mike. Chris.
Filthy. I'm Phoebe.
John.
Genevieve.
Mark. Howell. Keegan. Soumya. Jacob. Yinshan. Robin.
Andrew.
Chris. Alec.
Steve.
Mirren.
Martin. Aaron.
Dean from Finance.
Engineering.
Technical writer.
Product management.
Program delivery.
Business system.
The architect.
Safety.
Sales.
Marketing.
User experience.
Legal.
Service delivery.
Project manager.
Customer success.
Our friends at Andretti Autosport know all about teamwork too, not just on the track, but also in their fleet. Their drivers turn around between races, like the pit crew turns around during a race. Safety for them is everything. When you're hauling $1 million car in the back of your truck, and your truck is a moving billboard, it had better be. Safety is everything for us at EROAD too. It's what gets us out of bed in the morning. It's what drives us to make great products. The eHubbo 2, which has seen our customers reduce their overspeeding events by 56% over the last 5 years. And now, the EROAD Clarity Dashcam, front and driver-facing cameras, full HD footage. So easy for your drivers, they don't need to turn it on or upload clips in the event of a harsh braking event or accident. The camera sends a 20-second clip back to the cloud automatically, fully integrated with the rest of the EROAD data, so that when you want to coach your drivers to better performance, all your data stays in the one place, MyEROAD Replay. We hope you don't get into accidents, but if you do, having all your driver, fleet maintenance and video data in one place is going to make investigating it a breeze. And now, you won't just know that your drivers are harsh braking or harsh cornering, you'll be able to reward them for avoiding an incident or talk to them about improving their behaviour so you can reward them next time. EROAD Clarity Dashcam, more insight, more safety.